Hi, this is Rizwan Jamil, recitation of Sonnet 15 by William Shakespeare. When I consider everything that grows, holds in perfection but a little moment, that this huge stage presenteth not but shows, whereon the stars in secret influence comment. When I perceive that men as plants increase, cheered and checked even by the selfsame sky, vaunt in their youthful sap at height decrease, and wear their brave state out of memory, then the conceit of this inconstant stay sets you most rich in youth before my sight, where wasteful time debateth with decay to change your dear youth to solid night. And all in war with time for love of you, as he takes from you, I engraft you new.